Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are thinking about moving to Maryland, but you're still not quite sure what county, city, or suburb would best fit your family, well, today we're going to take a look at this brand new construction home in Clinton, Maryland. Yes, I said it. Clinton, Maryland again. But look guys, it has been some really good stuff popping up in Clinton, Maryland. So I really want you to see what you can get, right? How much bang you can get for your bucks in Clinton, Maryland. A lot of people, you may not want to move way down in Charles County or St. Mary's County. You may not want to go over to Annapolis. You may want to stay in PG County, but you don't want to be in the city too much, right? Clinton, Maryland, I think gives you that mix. And that's why I'm showing you some of these properties in Clinton, Maryland, because you're close to the Beltway, but you're also kind of in that area where you have some of that suburban feel, right? And that's what people tend to want, right? They want to be close to everything, yet they don't want to feel like they're right in the city. And I think Clinton offers kind of the best of two worlds, or the best of both worlds. Not only that, Clinton, Maryland, you can get townhomes from the upper 400,000s to homes well over $1 million, right? So it's really a great mix. And that's why I am showing you this brand new construction in Clinton, Maryland. Oh, by the way, my name is Sabrina. I am your local Maryland realtor. And look, if this is your first time to my channel, let me start by saying thank you so much for being here. And if not, welcome back. And look, if you want to know everything there is to know about living in Maryland, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification, because I make videos like this every week. And I really want you to be the first to know about what's happening right here in the current real estate market. So whether you're looking to relocate or move in 30 days or in 3 months, don't hesitate to reach out. I would be happy to help you make that magical move right here to the great state of Maryland. Okay, so now, as I mentioned, we're going to tour this beautifully done, brand new construction single family home in Clinton, Maryland. And then this home sits on about a half acre of land. It is about 7,647 square feet of living. It has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bath. It has a 2-car garage. And guys, it is absolutely stunning inside. But the one thing that kind of got me a little bit was it has 2 entrances. So when you come into the, you're coming to the front of the house, you have your main entrance, but it also has another entrance on the side. Now that was a bit odd for me. However, once I got into the house, that entrance actually leads like into the mud room. So for some people that may work for. Instead of trying to come through a garage or come through the front door and going around, you have that little entrance that will take you right to the mud room. So again, everybody likes something different, so it may work for some of you. But yeah, take a look at the house. Let me know what you think, and let me know if the price is where it should be, if you think it should be higher, if you think it's just right, or if you think it's a little too high. And again, if you want to see this property or any property that I show you, definitely don't hesitate to reach out. I can take you on a private tour. Okay? Let me know your thoughts. Well, there you have it. Another home tour in Clinton, Maryland, a luxury home tour in Clinton, Maryland. Guys, let me know what you thought about this home. You know, let me know what the price was like, what you thought about the inside of the home. I would love to hear your thoughts. And again, I want you to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Remember, I'm still a new channel and I need your support. So again, whether you're looking to move in 30 days or in 3 months, I would love to help you make that magical move right here to the great state of Maryland. Bye for now.